Hi guys, so today we're going to tackle this front garden. We're going to be removing the old fence and building a new one. Going to get rid of all the bushes and hedges. As you can see, it's a bit of a jungle around the side here. Let's get on the digger and start clearing.
I am.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Okay guys, so we got the front cleared. Now we can build a 3-foot fence and curve it around the corner.
It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is
So this is a fence we built between us and the neighbour. We put panels on both sides so it looks nice for the neighbour as well. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.